Good morning, children. This lesson deals with three poems: The Donkey, I Had a Little Pony, and one more poem, that is The Cruel Boy. I will teach you one by one. First poem is The Donkey. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. This poem is written by children. This poem is written by Margaret S. Russell. If I had a donkey, अगर हमारे पास एक गधा होता and he wouldn't go, और वो आगे नहीं बढ़ता या चलने के लिए राजी नहीं होता, would I wallop him? क्या उसको हम मारते या उस पर हम चाबुक बरसाते? नो नो नो, नहीं नहीं नहीं, हम उसको ऐसा नहीं करते. आई विल फाइंड ए लिटिल हेयर, मैं उसके लिए थोड़ा सा भूसा ले आता. एंड गिव हिम सम कॉर्न, और मैं उसको थोड़ा सा अनाज खाने के लिए देता. देन ही वुड बी द बेस्ट डंकी दैट एवर वॉज बॉर्न. तो वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा गधा हो जाता और वो मेरा सभी कहा हुआ मानता, वो मेरी सारी बातों को मानता. वी शुड नॉट hit the animals, children. Now there is another poem. I had a little pony. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. मेरे पास एक छोटा लिटिल पॉनी था. His name was Dapple Grey. उसका नाम Dapple Grey था. I lent him to a lady. मैंने एक औरत को उसको उधार दे दिया. To ride a mile away. थोड़ा दूर जाने के लिए, थोड़ा माइल्स जाने के लिए मैंने उस लेडी को अपना पॉनी उधार दे दिया. शी whipped him, she lashed him. उस लेडी ने, उस औरत ने क्या किया बच्चों? उसको खूब चाबुक उसके ऊपर बरसाए, उसको कोड़े से मारा. शी drove him through the mire. और उसको बिल्कुल मारते मारते उसको एक कीचड़ वाली जगह पर ले गई, एक डंप जगह पर ले गई. आई वुडंट लेंड माई पॉनी नाउ फॉर ऑल द लेडीज हायर. मैं कभी भी अपने पॉनी को, पॉनी मीन्स बच्चों टट्टू, मैं कभी भी अपने टट्टू को किसी लेडी को किराए पर नहीं दूंगा. Now children, first of all, I will give you the meaning of some words came from in this poem. These words are donkey, wallop, lady, whipped, lent, lashed, mire, hire. Now, first of all, children, we should know about Margaret S. Russell. She was born in 1926 and died in 2004. Lanier, North Carolina. Now, children, I will tell you the meaning of some words like hay. Hay is the grass cut and dried for use as animals' fodder. Hay is a grass cut and dried for use as animals' fodder. Then, children, wallop means a heavy blow or punch. Then corn is a grain or seed, especially of a cereal crop. Then children, Dapple Grey, what is the meaning of Dapple Grey? An animal with a mottled or spotted skin or coat. Then pony. Pony is a small horse, specifically any of several small breeds of horse. Now children, lashed. Lashed means a lash, a pliant, flexible instrument such as rod or cane or rattle. Then whipped. Whipped means, now children, lashed. Lashed means the thong or braided cord or a whip with which the blow is given to animals. Then drove means this is the past tense of drive, and it is used for cattle driven away to anywhere. Now children, yes, some more words for meaning. Lend means to allow to be used by someone temporarily on condition that it or its equivalent will be returned. Okay children, now one word is there, mire, deep mud, spongy earth. And what is the meaning of hire? Hire means payment for the temporary use of something. Now children, some question and answer. Another word for wallop is a heavy blow or punch. Would the child hit the donkey? No, the child will not hit the donkey. What would the child give the donkey? The child will give the donkey hay and corn. Now, what is a pony? The pony is a baby dog? No. It is a baby horse? Yes. It is a baby cat? No. Now, what did the lady do to the pony? And there are three options. She took care of the pony? No. She whipped and lashed him? Yes. And she sold the pony? No. Now, question fifth is, what did the child decide to do? To lend the pony again to the lady? No. To never lend the pony to the lady again? Yes. To give the pony to a lady? No. Now, have you seen people beating animals? What do you think of such people? Children, yes, I have seen people hitting the animals, beating the animals. These people are cruel, very much cruel. Do you ever tease animals? Do you think that you should be kind to them? Yes, I will never tease the animals and I should be kind of them. Now, tell your friends about some unusual pets that you have seen. Children, have you seen some unusual pets? Like you can say rat. Okay. Now, mire, deep mud, spongy earth. Higher means payment for the temporary use of something. Now, children, another exercise, say aloud. There are some rhyming words. You have to say aloud them and write on your notebook. Rhyming words are having similar sounds like donkey, monkey, turkey, hire, fire, mile, hair, fair, mare, mile, smile, pile, male, snail, pal. Now, children, word building. A stable, where can we find a stable? A building, wing or dependency, set of apart and adopted for lodging and feeding or training the animals with hoofs, like especially horses, cows, goats, etc. Name all the animals that live in the stable. Mainly the horses live in the stable, but there are cows and goats also live in the stable. Make two words from stable by removing letter from the beginning. Yes, we will. If we remove the letter S from the beginning, there will be the word table and able. Now let's try it. Write a paragraph about your pet or an animal you love. Children, I am writing here for a pet dog. You can write for your any pet you like most. I am reading 5 or 6 sentences. I love my pet dog. Its name is Jack. It is fond of bread and milk. It watches my house. I take care of it. It is very much funny. It is very much obedient. We play with our pet dog. Fill in the blanks with words that rhymes with corn. The rhyming word of corn is corn. Now, no, so, go. Then mire, fire, liar, tire. These are some rhyming words. Now, children, there is another poem. Poem is like this. The Cruel Boy. The monkey is in a cage. A boy looks at monkey. He gives it a sweet. And the monkey opens the paper. There is a stone inside. The poor monkey sat, cruel boy. Children, in this poem, I will translate it to Hindi. The poem is in the cage. The monkey is in the cage. एक पिंजरे में एक बंदर जो है वो बंद है. A boy looks at the monkey. वो एक लड़का जो उस बंदर को देखता है. He gives it a sweet. वो उसको मिठाई देता है. The monkey opens the paper. जब उस बंदर ने उस कागज़ को खोला, there is a stone inside. तो उसके अंदर एक पत्थर का टुकड़ा निकला. The poor monkey is sad. वो बेचारा गरीब बंदर जो है वो उदास हो गया. Cruel boy. ये लड़का कैसा था बच्चों? ये लड़का बहुत ही निर्दयी था. Cage means, children, cage means an enclosure made of bars, normally to hold animals. Then children, yes, what is the meaning of cruel? Harsh, severe, brutal. Now, intentionally causing or reveling in pain and suffering, merciless or heartless. Now, children, there are some sentences. You have to say whether those are wrong or right. Are these sentences right or wrong? The monkey is in the forest? No. The boy gives the monkey a stone. Yes. The monkey thinks it is a sweet. Yes. The monkey likes sweets. Yes. The monkey is sad. Yes. Okay, children, thank you.